Meaning of inequity.
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 Inequity. Inequity refers to a situation where there is a lack of fairness or justice in the distribution of resources, opportunities or privileges among individuals or groups. This can arise due to various factors such as social, economic or political differences, and can lead to unequal outcomes or disadvantages for certain individuals or groups. Inequity can have negative impacts on people's well-being, social stability, and overall progress in society. Addressing inequity requires efforts to promote equality, justice, and equity in various domains of life, such as education, healthcare, employment, and political participation.